let's move on to the leave module and see what all the leave module provides. Okay, so now let's move on to the leave module. So here we have the leave module. I'm choosing that, and under leave you have different sections. So you have my leave request, leave types, assign leaves, leave requests, holidays, and company leaves. So we'll go through each one by one. So first of all, let's open my leaves section. So open that, and here you can see different leave types. Okay, so these are different leave types corresponding to you. Okay, so my leave in the sense, the leave types and the details regarding each leave types for myself can be viewed here. Now, if you want to create a new leave request for any particular leave type, what you have to do is click on that leave type. So I'm going to take a casual leave. So click on that type and such a thing appears. And here you have the option to create the leave request. So the first thing which you have to provide is the start date. So click on the calendar over here and choose the start date. So I'm choosing start date and setting it the start date breakdown. So it can be like full day, first half, second half, whatever. So I'm choosing full day. And then you have the end date. So I'm choosing the end date as 4 itself. Okay, so same day this is going to end because this is just a 1 day leave. So that is also chosen. And you can choose end date breakdown. That also I'm putting full day. And then you can provide a description. Okay, this casual leave. So I'm just giving it as leave. Okay, now if you have to add any kind of attachments and all, okay, any files and all, if needed to be attached, you can simply choose it from your system. Okay, you can choose the file, and once you're done, you can simply click on apply. Okay, as you can see, leave request created successfully. Similarly, if you want to create a sick leave, a paternity leave, or even a maternity leave, you can create it from here simply by clicking on the leave type. So this is my leave, and this is how you create your leave request through or by clicking on a leave type. Okay, so that's my leaves. Then you have my leave requests. So here you can see all the leave requests which are requested by you. Okay, so these are all the leave requests which is done by me. Okay, so you have the casual leave which you applied right now has come here. Okay, you can see the start date, the end date, the requested days. So based on the start date and end date, the requested days are calculated. So as you can see, this is a 1 day leave, and you have the status which is requested. So if your leave request is in the requested state, you have the option to edit it as well as delete it. So while editing, you have the data which you are given, and if you have any corrections, you can correct it from here and simply click on apply. So once your request is approved, you cannot do any kind of changes over it. You can either delete it or you cannot even edit it. Okay, so that's my leave request. Okay, so that's it. Now you have the leave types. So these are the different leave types that exist in your system. Okay, so you can see casual leave, sick leave, maternity leave, and so on. Now, if you just click on the 3 dots over here, you have edit, delete, and assign leave. You can either edit the leave or delete it. And you have one more option, which is to assign leave. So here you have maternity leave. So if I want to assign this particular leave to any employee, I can do that from here. So click on assign leave, and from here choose the employee. And one more thing which I have to say is that you can assign this particular leave type to multiple employees at a time. That is, simultaneously, multiple employees can be assigned to this particular leave type. Okay, so now I'm choosing Alexander, and as you can see, leave type assign is successful. Okay, now let's see how to create a leave type. So it's very simple. Click on the create icon over here, and such a form appears. Now here you have to provide the name of the leave type. So I'm putting the leave type as casual leave, and then you have to provide an icon for the leave type. So it's not mandatory. Okay, so if you are providing an icon, means you can choose it from your system and also set a color. Okay, and you can choose the payment method, whether it's paid leave or unpaid leave. So I'm putting it as unpaid itself. And then you have the leave count. You can provide the count over here, and the period can be set over here. So based on the period and the leave count, the total days will be calculated. So here I'm choosing the period as day. So 1 day means total days will be 1. If I'm choosing 1 month, then the total days have changed to 30. And if I'm choosing 1 year, the total days are changed to 365 days. Okay. So I'm putting it as day itself. And you have the carry forward type over here. Now, if you want to carry forward this leave, you can choose carry forward. If you want to carry forward with expire, choose this one. And no need to carry forward means choose no carry forward. Okay. Now you have one more thing over here, which is reset. If you want to reset it, just check the checkbox and reset based on what? Yearly, monthly or weekly, that can be chosen from here. So I'm not resetting it. I'm just disabling it. Now you have 3 more things here, which is require approval, exclude company leaves and exclude holidays. So if this particular leave type requires approval, you have to choose yes over here. Only then this will be considered for approval. Okay. Then you have exclude company leaves. So you might be having company leaves. Now in some companies and all, it will be working on first Saturdays, but it won't be working on second Saturdays, which means second Saturday is considered as a company leave. Okay. So such leaves, if you want to exclude such leaves, you have to choose yes over here. Or if not, choose no. Okay. I'm putting yes. And if you want to exclude holidays in the sense we have holidays like Christmas, Easter, New Year and all. So if you want to exclude that holidays also, you have to choose yes over here. And once you're done, click on create. Okay. Now you can see a message has come, new leave type created. So this is the new leave which we created. Now let's see assigning it to someone. Click on assign leave. Choose someone. So I'm choosing Abigail Lee and click on apply. As you can see, leave type assign is successful. Okay. So that's done. Now you have assigned leaves. So all the leaves which we assign from leave types also can be viewed here. Okay. You have details such as employee, leave type, available days, carry forward days, total leave days, assigned date and action. So under action, you have the option to edit it as well as delete it. So here you can see the leaves which we assigned. Now, if you just click on edit, you have the option to edit it. That is, the available days can be changed. And if you want to add carry forward days, that can also be done. And if you want to delete an assigned leave, simply click on the delete icon over here. Okay, that's deleted. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, if you want to assign it manually from here, click on assign. Choose the leave type which you are planning to assign. So I'll put sick leave and choose the employee over here. So simultaneously, you can add multiple employees and multiple leave types. Okay. And at a time, you can do that. Okay. A single leave type can be, assigned to multiple employees, or multiple leave types can be added to a single employee and vice versa. And you can also add different leave types to multiple employees. Okay. So at a time, you can add multiple leave types as well as multiple employees. Okay. So that's how you assign it and how you can view the assigned leaves. So that's the assigned leaves. Now you have the leave requests. So you can see all leave requests over here. Now you have a count over here, which means you can see new requests. That is 2 new requests are there, 5 approved requests are there, and 1 rejected request is there. Okay. So that count and all can be viewed here. Okay. And then you have the leave requests over here. So you have the option to approve it as well as cancel it. So you have, such a view is available because you are logged in as the admin. Okay. So if, this is a casual leave, this is, already approved. Now you only have the option to cancel it. If you want, you can cancel it from here. So I'm canceling it. As you can see, it shows cancelled. Now, if you want to approve it again, you can simply click on the approve. Okay. Now, this and all is requested. As you can see, Adam B's casual leave, it's requested. Now, I'm clicking on approve. That's approved. As you can see, leave request approved successfully. Similarly, if you want to cancel it, cancel it. Okay. And by simply clicking on this, such a window appears. Okay. From here, you can directly click the approve as well as cancel button. Or if you are clicking on the other part of the employee, click that and you will get such a window. And from there, you can approve it or cancel it. So that's how you do it. So by clicking on this plus icon, you have the option to create request manually from here. So you have to provide the leave type, the employees, the start date, start date breakdown, end date breakdown, and description. We've already gone through this request creation. That's why I'm not going into it deeper again. So that's how you apply for the leave request, and click on apply over here. That's how you do it. So that's the leave request. Now this leave request is actually for the HRs and all. So if there is any situation where the employees cannot create leave request, means HRs can come from here, directly create the leave request. Okay. So that's the leave request. Now you have the holidays. So basically this holidays is the portion where you add holidays. Okay. So you have the Christmas, New Year, Thanksgiving holiday and all. So similarly, if you want to add a new holiday, click on create button, give the holiday over here. I'm putting Easter and the day I'm choosing it. Okay, I'll choose April. So I'm putting April 13 and the end date is also April 13. Okay, so once you're done, and if it's recurring, okay, if it should repeat on every year, this day it should be considered as holiday, means you have to click on recurring and then apply. So as you can see, a new holiday is added. And if it's recurring, you can see true will be given there. So every year, April 13th will be considered as a holiday. Now, if you want to do any kind of edits, or if you want to delete it, you can do it from here. Click on this and here you have the option to edit it. That is, you can either edit the name or the start and end date. Okay. That's how you do it. And then you have the company leaves. So the company leaves section is the portion where you add the company leaves. As I said before, the case of company leaves, you have the first week Sunday, second week Saturday, fourth week Sunday, and all Sunday holidays. Similarly, I'm going to create a new one as second week Saturday. I'm putting it, apply. Okay, it's already there. I'll do one thing, fourth week Saturday, apply. As you can see, fourth week Saturday is added as a company leave. Okay. So similarly, you can add company leaves from here by clicking on create icon. You have the edit and delete option here as well. So these are the basic things which comes under the leave module, and it's really helpful and easy to manage. So you can simply use this leave module of Horilla to manage the leave related activities. It's a very good leave management system.